Hello everyone, and welcome to another 3 minutes to get fit, where I will teach you an exercise in 3 minutes or less to get you going for your workouts. Today's video is going to focus on how to do crunches for the 3 major abdominal muscles. So let's get started. The first crunch I'm going to demonstrate is the standard abdominal crunch. This targets the front muscles here of your abdomen. I'll be using a decline bench, so it's easier for you to follow along, but you can do this from the ground or other types of benches. If you will be using an abdominal crunch bench, the first thing you want to do is hook your feet into the support of the ab bench. Next, you're going to push your chest up and keep your abdominal area straight. We want to keep our arms crossed at the front of our body. We don't want it to be pulling on our head or on our neck. We want to be using the abdominal muscles to perform the crunch. To start the abdominal crunch, we are going to use this part of the rib cage to crunch up towards our hips. If you are using this type of abdominal crunch bench, we don't want to lean back too far. We want to keep consistent tension on the abdominal muscles. Just lean back to about here where you feel the stretch, and then come up here where you still feel tension on the muscles. You don't want the abs to loosen up during the movement. Keep consistent tension. Now how about breathing during the crunch? Breathe in on the way down, and when you come back up, exhale out your mouth. Now how about the tempo when you're doing this crunch? You can take 2 to 3 seconds down and come up quickly. 2 to 3 seconds down, up quickly. You can also come down, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds, and come back up. If you don't have access to an abdominal crunch bench, we can also do it from the ground. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Push it firmly into the ground. Keep your feet flat. Glutes will be pressed firmly into the ground as well. Carefully lay down onto the ground. Next, cross your arms over your chest. Do not hold here on your head or on your neck. You might accidentally pull it while doing the crunch. Once again, to perform the crunch, you're going to pull up towards your hips this way and come back down away from your hips towards this way. Crunch up and come down. You're gonna notice that I'm not doing this as a sit-up. The sit-ups work more of the hip muscles than they do of the abdominal area. For the crunch, we wanna focus on the front abdominal muscles and the obliques. Only your scapula has to come up just a little bit off the ground. The most important thing is to crunch from here to here. The tempo for this, you can come up 1 second, hold it or contract it for 1 to 2 seconds, and come back down slowly. Inhale through your nose and breathe out through your mouth on the way up.